Well, hello, here's some more dash cam footage from my lovely city of Carlisle. So as you can see here, passing pedestrians.
Well, that's it.
Once again,
in front of everybody.
just not bothered.
Young sausages. Bloody hell, man!
So ignorant, aren't they? Right, this next chap must think it's a Formula 1 circuit. Here he goes. Puts his foot down. This is a 30-mile-an-hour zone.
What a sausage, 30 mile an hour.
Away he goes.
Treats it like friggin' Brands Hatch. What a sausage.
Doesn't give an absolute toss about the residents in a built-up area. Here's another cyclist on the country road. Black as the ace of spades. Look at that. You just can't see him. You just can't see him at all. I mean, you get milk tankers and all kinds. Let's have a look at this again. Just rewind it back a bit. There we are. Look. You just can't see at all that cyclist. And there's big wagons and all kinds come down that country road. They're just asking to be hit, aren't they? They really are. Where's the brains? Like, I mean, any cyclists out there, you tell me why you wear the darkest clothing, right? Anywhere. You're just asking to be hit. It's ridiculous. 5 road ends in Carlisle. The roundabout which nobody seems to understand. Here's the car coming up here. I've got my indicator on.
Oh, yeah.
I'm totally not bothered.
Sausage.
Sausage! Now this next thing infuriates me. Drivers not paying attention when the lights change to green. Now, the camera doesn't show it here, but the car in front, I could see he was looking at his phone. There we go. Takes ages to realise the lights are on green. Look at the gap he's left. Right, stops me getting through. Decides to put his foot down and gone through a red light.
I hear people that do that when the lights are on green and they're on the phone.
Wring the necks when they do that.
And then they put the phone down.
Honestly.
And then they've missed the green light and then they go through a red light.
Absolute clowns. Small drivers that don't know how to drive the roundabout. Look at these two here. Why do they make it so hard?
Side lane, you silly sausage. Still at it, man. Look at them.
What's the matter with folks like? There's a HGV about to run a red light. I'm on to green. Away I go. Clearly gone through the red light there. I know this traffic system. That was definitely on red. Yeah, professional drivers should know better, really. Now this next one, I'm through this tunnel all the time, and it's a really tight fit. And when you come through the end, occasionally you get these stupid drivers that don't let you out, and they think it's smart to just turn right and just stop you from pulling out. But they realise that it's too narrow, and they've got to back off anyway. Have a look at this.
By all accounts, I don't remember hearing a great deal. I don't think put up any major trees, but then came back. Got his opportunity when
There we are, creep out. Some drivers with common sense will flash you out at this point and say, go on, off you go. But some will just not have it, will they? They won't let you out.
Oh, why didn't you just let us out in the first place, you silly sausage?
That's what you get for being ignorant.
Backfired on you there, didn't it? That's what you get for being ignorant.
Absolutely. This clip is just truck drivers just not thinking where they're parking. It's not safe for people across the roads, but they're just blocking, and they just created a nuisance. And it's such a busy road, this. We had to park opposite each other like that. That's on a bus stop. That's on double yellow lines on the right. Look at that, man. Thick as mince. Thick as mince.
and it's actually.
This is very, very common as well, what I see. I don't know whether it's just drivers not knowing the area or they're not too sure. They think it's...
An hour and a half to anywhere. Like to an airport.
well, watch in a minute. Here we
An hour and
go.
a half to.
Nice one, Pearson,
What's
Ed.
he down there?
They just think that that's 2 lanes that can go that way, and they can't.
What a silly sausage.
I don't know why, but I see it all the time. I just don't know why they do it.
Not an easy thing driving.
Road signs that are there to tell you it's
See it,
two-way traffic. This is another one that really grates me as well. I mean, notice the car park here, all the spaces, yeah? I'm here to pick up people in my taxi. A lot of elderly people I pick up. And I can't get anywhere near the pickup point because of prats like this. Sometimes. Look at that.
Just randomly abandoning the cars there. I mean, look at all the car park spacing we have. Honest to God. Silly sausages, thick as mince.
And eventually I do get in, but why just abandon your car like that?
Absolutely.
When there's all them spaces? Seriously? More pedestrians that just think it's totally safe to just walk out when their light is on red, man. You can see the red man clearly there.
Wait
Look at them,
until
man.
you're on the green, man, you sausage. You Christmas sausage.
Christmas sausage.
Have you got any special badges that you...
Here's another driver that wants to stay at green lights miles away. Onto green. I decided not to go anywhere. Once again, probably on the phone, totally no idea that they've just been on green.
Stop at the green light, you sausage.
Now, to be fair, this junction is one of the worst junctions to come out of. But you don't just drive continuously, just assuming, you know.
Just pull out then, why don't you sausage?
Bit
Bloody hell!
Bit risky, but I can see why they do it. But it's very dangerous.
No, I do not know.
Same junction, again.
Well, you weren't waiting, were
They
you?
really are playing with fire, like.
No, I was ready to go.
It is a horrible junction.
I haven't got the
This is just another driver that can't be bothered to use the indicators.
15 minutes for a doctor's office.
Another pet hate of mine.
Soul destroying.
Right, when the phone up again.
Nice indication, sausage.
Why do drivers find it so hard to do that?
You just knackered the sauce.
Now this silly sausage here, I think the car on the right's got a flat battery, but the car with the boot open, there's nothing wrong with it. I think he's talking to his mate, not realising that he's blocking me and about 15 cars behind me from getting through. Ah, penny's dropped. Oh, I better move my car and put it in one of them spaces. Yeah, that's a sensible thing to do, isn't it? You know, I better move it, eh? Absolutely crackers. There we go. It weren't hard, was
There's
it?
people's friggin' brains like this morning. What a frozen sausage. You know, I'm just going to park my car, leave it in the middle of the fucking road. Excuse my French, flipping road. So people can't get through.